Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to enable direct message on TikTok. So first thing is you need to open the TikTok application. Tap open TikTok and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into your account, what you need to do is tap on profile on the bottom right, tap that. Once you're at the profile page, you tap on the three horizontal line on the top right corner of your screen, tap on it, then tap on setting and privacy, tap that. So once you're at the setting and privacy, you need to tap on privacy option, tap that. In the privacy, you need to scroll down and you will have the option of interaction. There in the interaction, you need to tap on direct message, tap that. And just after you click that, you will have the direct message option on the very top. You tap that. So there's a way how people can send you text message. Who can send you direct message? Everyone, suggested friend, followers you follow back, and people who send message to no one. This setting is currently set to no one. That is, no one is able to send you a direct message on TikTok. So you can easily change it by choosing the other option. If you want everyone to text you or DM you, you can tap on everyone. Similarly, you just want a suggested friend to text you or message you on TikTok, you tap the second option. And the third is followers you follow back and people you send messages to. If you tap that, the followers you follow back will be able to send direct message to you, as well as the people you sent message to will be able to send direct message to you. So this is a way how you can enable direct message on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.